I'm going to cover how to create a Instagram post using Canva. Canva is a really easy and robust graphic design tool. It's a drag and drop tool, and I can show you how to make a just listed post. And I know a couple of you have asked me, how did you make that? So here's the tutorial on how to make it. And I also included a folder where you can access those templates. So I will include that in the chat. I will also include it in my document where I always attach. It's a website, a link that you can always access, and I'm going to make it available on the agent portal as well. And you'll be able to access it at any time, and I'm constantly updating it with new tutorials, new resources, and new videos. So you can always go to that and check it out and see what else is new and what you can do. So we're going to go through creating a graphic and actually scheduling it out. So let's go. Let me share my screen. So we're sharing, and let's go to Canva. So see all these beautiful little templates that I made? I am going to make another one. I'm going to start fresh. So I have created a nice little folder for you guys. It's called Agent Marketing Assets, and it's in the link that I provided. And all of these beautiful pre-made templates are just for you. These blank ones, you can use them for open house. These are just listed, just sold. And I'm going to just show you how to use it. So let's just download this one. And we're going to go to our Canva. We're going to create a design. Let's see if any of you guys joined yet. Okay. We're going to create a design. We can name it. Let's just do just listed. All right. So all you have to do is really just drag and drop it to the screen, and it automatically uploads it. And drag and drop it. Boom. It's right there. It's in the background. Now what you can do is you can go to Elements and type in Frames. And you can see that there's these little picture frames, it looks like. You could drag and drop that there. Drag a photo into it, but we're not going to do that right now. We're just going to drag a photo. Look, so let me see if I can find a photo of a house. Great, there's a house right here. I don't remember which property this is, but look, I can drag and drop it right here. And look how pretty. Boom. Now, what about your information? You're an agent. Where do we put the information? Well, we can create, go to Frames again. And you can just simply resize it. And you can use this over and over again. It automatically saves in your Canva account, which is free. I mean, the free stuff pretty much does everything. It's just you just don't have access to certain graphics or features, but really for what you guys need to use it for, the free version is just fine. Now I am going to use, I don't know, I'm going to use Jaciel's picture. And then you can crop it because she looks very tiny here, so you can't really see her face. You can actually crop it so you can see her face a lot better. And boom, she's there. Now we have to put all her information, right? All you have to do is drag and drop some text. You could resize it. So that could be the name. And you can literally just copy and paste this from your signature. Your email, phone number, and if you want to include a website, you can do that. So that's your contact. Boom, you're there. Also, make sure that you put the listing price. I'll put it right here. And make sure that you choose a darker color if you're going to be using this template. I'm just going to put 200,000. And how many bedrooms? How many bathrooms? What's the parking like? So I can also, listen, if you don't want to keep reformatting, you can always copy and paste too. Boom. But that blends in too much with the background. So let's go to elements. Let's see if we can get like a plain square. Oh, wow, look at that. You can put this down here, change the color here, make it gold, keep it on brand, and just put 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, 1 garage. Make it smaller. You can even like drag and drop it from here. Do one of these babies. You could lower the opacity here so you can still see the house. Move it over. Change the alignment. And you can even fix the kerning here, the spacing, line spacing, boom, pretty. You know what, it needs a little something. So you know what we're gonna do, how about we try a gold brush stroke? Boom, that's nice. Whoa, fancy. Of course, we can change the font color. Just choose black. Black. Make it a little smaller. And voila. Now, if you want to include more pictures, you can just simply duplicate the page, change out the picture in the back. And you can make a little slideshow. Look at this property right here. This is a nice property. Put this in the back. And send backwards or send to back. And boom. Just do a couple alignments. You can crop it, move it up. You can fix the opacity on this, make it a little brighter. And the cool thing about it is you can animate all of this. Choose different animations. This is my favorite one. Boom. It's called Stomp. But yeah, you can, and then you can apply all. And you make a nice little slideshow to show the different images of the home. And boom, you have a just listed page. And that the same thing goes for, you know, all the other templates. Also your open house template. Got to include the date and time it's going to be. Your agent photo can go here. your information will go here. You can add different pictures. It's a really good tool, and you know, it's a very easy, simple way to create so many different things. You can also edit video on this. There's many tutorials that I included in my document. And let me just show you. So yeah, now we did the just listed. So let's schedule. Let's pretend that we're scheduling this out on our social media. Now, this is called Facebook Business Suite, and you can actually, I included a link as well in the resource guide, or you could just log into your Facebook and open up a separate tab and just Google Facebook Business Suite, and it'll just pop right up for you. And if you have a Facebook business account and it's connected and linked to your Instagram, then you can manage your posts from here. I have all these scheduled posts here. It's super easy. Let's try to create a post and schedule it. And you can just see how easy it is. We can test, include some hashtags if you want, add video. We just made this. It's going to process it, and you can change the time. You can schedule it whenever you want. Save. Let me put for the 30th. Save, and then you press schedule post, and then you'll see it in your scheduled queue, and then you'll see what you already published as well. So that is just a very beautiful tool that you can use to schedule your posts out, and it's a time saver. You don't have to constantly worry about putting content every day. Just your listings. If you know you have a bunch of listings, you could quickly make them on Canva. You can customize these templates that I gave you guys, and just schedule things out ahead of time. Before I end this, I also want to share with you another free tool that you can actually, up to 3 social media platforms, you could use that to schedule out other posts. So as far as Twitter, LinkedIn, you can create a post. You can customize it for each, because you know Twitter has a character limit. You can add a photo. Oh, and it's integrated with Canva as well, which is really cool. Write whatever you want. Boom, 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 boom. Let's schedule. Select it. Then you add it to queue. Oh, there you go. Add to queue. Make sure all these are highlighted. And then add it, and then it's going to be in queue. So that is also a really cool tool just to keep up with your LinkedIn, posting on your Twitter. Always, you know, if you have a website, always link back on your Twitter. Twitter is a very powerful SEO tool. Not a lot of people know that Google actually loves Twitter. If you post something on Twitter and you post every day on Twitter and you post a lot of backlinks to your website, you're going to see a lot of improvement in website traffic. So that is always a good thing. So that's pretty much it. All this stuff is going to be included in the link that I provided you. This is recording, so this is going to be included also in that link, and as well as your Bamboo, and as well as the agent portal. So thank you for joining me, and have a great day.